You enjoy your weekend and Tail Chicken and Black Smoke and the rest of them good time gang. I said hello and how they do. We'll catch you later. Motormouth Mall. Good news on the top side of Lake City. It's 10-7.
Bahamas, got down.
Two-man in Florida is officially at 10-7 and gone.
Hey, wait, Donnie, you know got to stand down at your You got Tampa on lockdown. You got Mother Nature in Tampa, wait, 2013 long. Hey, wait, Doctor, number 13. Wait, Doctor, number 13 on the pile. All the time. Flash on this end. Witch Doctor, happy day coming up. Witch Doctor, your baby brother in these islands got down. How my audio? I got my boots on the ground in Cali. How my audio with my boots on the ground? Thank you, sir. Blame Mr. Douglas. Nationwide good news.
All right. How's it sound right now? How's that audio right now, that break?
You try walking Cali, baby.
All right, I appreciate it. I'm out.
You said the audio sounded good. I said blame Sean. Sean is the one who helped me out on it. Sean and Mr. 43 in the Bahamas helped.
Tap, 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 tap. I'm clear.
I'm gonna twist good new audio up right now. I'm gonna twist this audio and make it sound like Black Smoke. Can I twist some good new audio and make it sound like Black Smoke with some boots on the ground?
Yeah, tap, 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 tap on 43. Tap, tap on 43. Witch Doctor, I'm getting down. Bye, 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 bye.
I may have to do a little tip-tap on Witch Doctor. Hey, top of the day to you there, good news? Old Squeaker just dropped on down.
On the ground in Cali. Hey, Squeaker, it ain't good.
Hey, Witch Doctor. Hello, Squeaker. Hey, Witch Doctor. Doggone it, boy. Look at here, man. I got so many doggone handles in my head. Boy, I done forgot your handle now, Cat Bigger. Boy, what in the world is going on? Hey, Witch Doctor, Moonlighter said hello there. 410?
Well, you can tell Moonlighter I said hello to him. Hey, top of the day to you, Frank Lucas. I heard you in there, too. I just got this thing back up and running. I'm just trying to test it out. Hey, Frank Lucas, top of the Father's Day coming up to you. Old Squeaker out here working the center of the West Coast. Just dropped on down.
Hey, Squeaker, yeah, you got that kind of working, man. Hey, Squeaker, that kind of network right there. Ain't no doubt about that. You probably take care of we'll catch you later. All right, Squeaker. Moonlighter, Witch Doctor, good news on the pile. I'm 10-7.
Well, when everybody's keyed up there at the same time, it's definitely a mess. But anyway, you guys take care. Be good. I just had to key it down, see if I got it back to working. Me and my small station on the center of the West Coast got out of the way. I'm gone.
Hey, Squeaker, Moonlighter said hello, man. Hey, Squeaker, I'm gonna tell you, man. Old Moonlighter told me to tell you hello on that Cotton Big and N, but he didn't call you Squeaker. He called you Streaker on that Cotton Big and N. Hey, Streaker, Squeaker, the Moonlighter know something about you that we don't know, that break?
Good in grand style.
Oh, I don't know. All I know is the last time we heard out of Moonlighter, he was chasing some cotton-picking elk up through the woods of Oregon.
Sounding good. If I was on my Hermes, I would give you a playback. 73s and cheers. Happy Father's Day. Moonlighter, you take it easy also. Quit being so mean. I'm getting down.
I could probably roll a bunch of fives on Moonlighter, but I'm just going to sit here and look like this. Take care. Hey, catch you later there. Good news. Here I go. I'm gone.
Boy, you got that thing dialed in, man. Boy, that thing is dialed in. I'm stubborn.
Squeaker, what about Danger 13 up in Tampa Bay with boots on in Cali? Bye-bye.
You're broadcasting in here too, 13. You definitely broadcasting in here too. Number 13 on the pile. Little Squeaker out here in the middle. Break a break.
Who told you that? Hey, Squeaker, who told you that?
Good news, I said for him to bag down for a minute and let 13 put some boots on the ground in Cali, baby.
He's taking a little bit of a break every now and then, giving you a little bit of a chance there, 13. But boy, when he keys down, he's got them all out here on the west side.
Well, tell him I want to give him a roll for his money, see what he's working with. That's so good news, he feel like bumping down so I can see what he boots working with him, baby.
The old saying is too easy, too easy, too easy. Put it down on you later. My friend, Mr. Squeaker, with your good sounding audio. I'm out.
Yeah, 13 wanted you to bump it down to see what you was working with there. I think the work is a little bit more than what he can handle right about now.
Well, just let him know. Just let him know.
I'm trying to find out what he's working with right there. What he's working with. Tell him 13 say what he's working with. Danger 13 in terms of what good news working with. I got boots in Cali, break.
He's working with a little Mother Nature. Hey, 13, he was working with a little Mother Nature. You were about neck and neck that time. But he got a little Mother Nature on you.
This was up on that tower. This was up on that tower. That 410.
410. Yeah, he's in there with you, but your audio comes right over the top of their break.
Well, you need me to turn it up? I can turn it up. I can turn it up on that end. Hold on. My next key, I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to get off this little...
Hey, wake up. I ain't even talking to Squeaker. That's what talking. You come...
Oh, he moved over to Witch Doctor. Witch Doctor must have keyed on me or something. Hey, good news. You probably don't need a whole lot more. But you're doing a good job right about there anyway.
Right, you cut your radio out right there. Cut off radio. 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 Speaker, right, cut off radio. Cut off radio. 13 got.
Boy, you worked a whole lot of that cut off radio and he didn't key up. he missed an opportunity.
I got a squeaker stuff.
All right, I turn it up a little bit, Squeaker. Hey, Squeaker, I turn it up a little bit on that.
Hey, cut off radio. Cut off radio. Cut off radio. Cut off radio.
All right, Squeaker, good news.
Boy, I had to leave him sitting there, 13, because you did it that time. Mother Nature moved down to your neck of the woods. It's just like what it does to Witch Doctor and I. But hey, top of the day to you, 13, doing a good job too. Me and my small station stepping.
Get right on, Squeak. I go talk Witch Doctor. Cut off radio, 13. Cut off radio. Off radio. All right, 13 to 4. Tampa. Cut off radio. Go. Tell us to cut off radio. Go. Get down.
218 is gone again.
Hello, 319. You can definitely say it, man, and you said it in grand style. Hello, 319. Frank Lucas on the return. Can you dig it? Bye-bye. I don't know, Witch Doctor. I got no audio. Your condition might be in Tampa. I think Squeaker's condition is about 200 miles up there in Lake City. This one I think is about 250 miles north of me. You down here in Tampa, Witch Doctor, baby. Do it all this time, and I finally got it on this end. 319, I am Mr. Frank Lucas cruising his ERP-made antenna in the Bahamas. Frank in the islands got down. Yeah, right on, Witch Doctor. Matter of fact, I'll be on the back down there. Got boots on the ground out there in Cali, no doubt about it. Tell us good news, I'll say hello there, then I'll talk to him later. Mr. Worldwide 13 in Tampa with boots on the ground. I see 319, you passed through in grand style too, man. You shook up all the tables and knocked on all the glasses on this end when you passed through. Hello, 319.
I dumped it down a couple notches on the antenna, A13. I'll see if I can get right back in there with Witch Doctor.
Hey, Squeaker, you got a little bit more loud audio. I know there's bodazes out here. Y'all got about the same character, but Witch Doctor got some bodazes audio there put in.
Yeah, he's a noisy little rascal, he is.
Yeah, he was hard that you was a technician. He was kind of amazed at what you were doing, wasn't you?
Yeah, he's my good friend. He only lives 30 miles from me. We do what we can when we can. But he's a beast of the West. I'll give him that.
Well, you know, Witch Doctor been out there about as long as he's done playing CB, been on CB, been CB. Hey, Witch Doctor is an OG out here. I've been on Witch Doctor when I was about like 5 years old. Listened to the fucking band with a walkie-talkie. You know, he was an OG. He been out here a minute that place.
410. Yeah, I've known him a long time. He's getting old now, but I go up there and help. Matter of fact, I'm just fixing to plug his equipment in here and take a little bit of a test on it. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut this thing down and go get busy and finish up what I needed to do. Number 13 sounded good off the pile. Squeaker out here on this west side. I'm on this little baby Hermes radio when I got on down.
Yeah, right on, Squeak. All right, I'm back out. I got a fucking, I ordered me a striker off of Amazon. I thought it was going to be on 11 meters. They sold it on 10 meters, so I got to get that thing changed over, right?
Yep, that striker got all kinds of audio, and I got it on the Watergate, too. You take care, be good, and I'll post this thing up a little bit later. If you happen to be roaming around JD's page, you'll get a look at it. See you later at number 13. I'm stepping on down.
Yeah, right on, Squeaker. What you say, Squeaker?
You sounded good in Miami, just wanted you to know it. MicroWave said it. Click on.
Well, I didn't catch what that handle was over there on the Florida side, but I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
It's MicroWave in Miami. We're trying.
All right, I caught it that time. MicroWave, I appreciate the holler out this way. Top of the Pappy's Day to y'all. I'm stepping on through.
Bye, Squeaker. Squeaker, pleasure, double measure. Squeaker, Frank in the islands got down.
Right back there, Frank. Sounded good out here on this west side. I've heard you a lot, but I just haven't had this thing running to come back and say anything. Top of the day to you. Hope you have a good one. Frank Lucas, while you're out there on your islands, I'm in the middle of Cali, and I got on down.
Real good copy, Squeaker. Why you say you in the middle of Cali? Sounding good in the Bahamas. Frank is down. What's going on, Mr. California? What poppy? Hey, Mr. California, what's going on? 13 around town with Mr. Black Smoke on the mayor. Hey, sounding good, too. too, man. You looking good and sounding good, Mr. California. Man, speaking to you later. Happy day coming up. Mr. California, your brother in the sand.
Yeah, he keep down with about distribution. What? He wasn't allowed up again. Yeah, come on, Mr. California. What's going on, baby?
A good one down in Florida, man. Let me give sympathies to the family and all the boys down in Florida. May so let.
Hey, push your pull, California. You got first stop by Tampa Bay, the border of the Gulf Coast. Hey, push your pull. You first got to stop by the controller of the Gulf Coast of Florida, baby. Yeah, right on pull your pull. Right here, we stop by Tampa Bay, have a just fucking sit down, black smoke a blunt, smoke a cigar, drink, whatever you do. We got it here in Tampa Bay, no doubt about it. Home of the newlywed, the nearly dead, and you'll never find a damn so empty, because I walk the back street, I know.